Yeah, alright. Let's see if this works. I don't know if I should raise the volume of this. Yeah, it's live. Yeah, it's definitely live. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I'm sorry. I realized I was leaking the DMs and I had to switch to the Binding of Isaac screen. Yeah, this is copyrighted music. This is Square Enix music. Should be very careful with them. Think I might. I need to turn down the volume of this. Yeah. All right. Sonic music is fine. Yeah, I should use that. Can I pin this? I cannot pin the chat. Let's see. Sorry if my English isn't doesn't. Sorry if my English doesn't sound that great. I'm not a native speaker. Let's see. How can I pin this? Well, I cannot pin this. Then I close this. If you just close the dockable window, if you'd like to show it again, blah blah blah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dock, not dock. I'm gonna pop up this chat. Got it. And we got a pop up chat here. Let's go. Ain't that a beauty? Okay. Great. So, what I've been doing is, first of all, I was trying to detect the multiple, like detect more, not detect. I was trying to. How can you say this? Try to associate or find out if the multiplier of the speed of the game is related to the speed of the music. And so what I found out, it's not. This is playing at 0.33, like 33%. Okay, and this isn't 33%. This is let's see. Let's put the audio at 33%, just real quick. Well, what the fuck just happened, dude? That is 33% then. Wait, what? Now it looks stupid. And what happened here? That is 10%, not 5%. Not 50%. Here, if I put 50%, it's gonna sound really bad. Look. That does not sound like the game at all. However, if I put it at 10%, this is exactly the same speed as this. Yeah, the same chord. Yep. This is weird. So, to recap, let's open MS Paint here. If the game is playing at 0.5%, I'm sorry, at 0.5 speed, or 50% the speed, then the music is playing at 10% speed or 0.1 speed. But if the game is playing at 0.33%, like 33%, then the game is the music is also playing at 33%. What the fuck is going on? The math doesn't add up. Jesus. Okay, well. Keep the changes if you are undoing them. Yes, I am undoing them. Look. Now, hold on, let's put this at 50%. That isn't 50%. See? It's weird. Wait, maybe it sucks. No, it's impossible. What is 10% twice? That's 20%, right? Let's try 20%. 10 and 10 again. Yeah, we need to beat rules, the other one, the dropping stuff. Damn it. Alright. Okay. What? That's not the game speed. The game speed is right now, it's like 1, okay? Like, it's the normal speed. The enemies run normally. I'm the only one that's running really fast. And the music is somehow faster. Let's try this. Let's see how fast is this. It went from 50 no, 10%, and it sped up. Let's try 33 again. No, that's not it. Nope. Maybe just 33. No, the pitch is exactly the same. I mean, the pitch is universally the same. I think what's happening here is that the music, the speed of the sound of the game, the sound stream, is separate from the game speed. So the sound doesn't, like the music doesn't sound too bad. I think that's intentional game design. I mean, it's telling you that it's faster right now. Do I have to manually check that?
Bad trip.
It's a poker play. Slow down the game, the music game again? What do you mean, like finish more rules? I haven't seen the multiplayer of the game while only using the broken touch without the which there we go. Yeah, so the multiplayer here is 33%. Or 33% less. Hopefully you can see in this big ass screen. It did not actually sound like the pitch changed that much when it changed to the slower speed. Yeah, it didn't change that much. Let's try remove the hand watch, was it? I always forget this. Broken watch, deep pockets, fingers, Mercurial, stopwatch, goddamn. Okay, let's remove stopwatch and let's try looking at the multipliers of these guys. Let's just in case reload the mode and let's restart the stage. Alright, so that is not its multiplier. The game is definitely faster. Something's wrong with the screen. Let's try making the game slower. Let's see how that is. I swear to God, if that doesn't work. Maybe it doesn't work when the game speeds up. In the behavior is against sped up. Wait, I can do this? No, I cannot choose it. Well. Let's see. Yeah, absolutely, it did not look like it changed it whatsoever. Oh! Alright, so my main takeaway from this is that when the game speeds down the... Hold on, let me open MS Paint again. Let's use a huge brush. So, if I have the stopwatch, the normal stopwatch, the game slows down half. Okay, so the enemies move half as fast. Yeah, I'm sorry. My brother is playing Tears of the Kingdom right now. It's a great game, by the way. So yeah, I need to lower the volume here. No, I'm gonna keep it. So the game slows down 50%. Then when the stopwatch, like the broken watch, comes in and slows it down another 50%. That should be 25%. Yeah, that should be 25%, but instead we get 33%, which is weird. Then again, this multiplayer is not very accurate. I have a suspicion that this multiplayer is actually faulty because the okay, let's lay down the problems at hand right now. So we right now. Hold on, I need a bigger razor. Jesus Christ, why am I using MS Paint? So right now, the biggest problem is we don't know. We don't know if the game speed is tied with the music speed. There we go. So we don't know that, and also we know jack shit about the multiplier. So this is fucked. What do? Do we tweak this? Actually, this used a different entity before. It didn't use the shopkeeper, it used the Horf. I'm gonna give it back the Horf. Hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry, my brother just came back from work. Alright, so let's bring back the Horf entity that calculates the speed of the game. That's right, I'm using a Horf to calculate the speed of the game. Somebody in Discord sent me that code. Very useful. So we need to reload the mod. New mode, debug music. No, debug speed was it? Yeah, there we go. No, that's the previous one. Jesus, hold on. Need to delete all of shit. Horf, yeah, that's it. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see here, that's a Horf. That's supposed to be a Horf, just spawning constantly. That thing is measuring the multiplayer speed of the game. Well, at least the multiplayer speed of the gameplay, not the music. So let's keep on. Let's try and get that sound. My problem with this Horf is that it doesn't close doors. You need to kill him. Maybe you cannot see, but there's a shadow here. It means that the Horf is here. Changing it to a coin change anything? I don't think it changes anything. I mean, I tried changing it to a custom entity that I made, a shopkeeper variant that is invisible. I don't think the behavior will change that much. Try this again. Yeah, it should be. Oh, there we go. Doors open. Yeah, this is very hard to solve. Sorry. Yeah. By the way, the melodic coins is not loaded in. As you can see, I have a folder here called disable. It's the melodic coins is there. I completely disabled it for this experiment. Well, shit. What do we do with this code then? Huh. I called it the speed detector. This entity. This guy is what detects the speed of the game. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And apparently, it doesn't do that very well. Shit. Let's try. Wonder what tries this. I haven't looked into the code very much. I just know it works somehow and sometimes it doesn't. For example, when the game speeds up. Let's give ourselves a stopwatch. And a broken watch, just in case. Oh my god. Oh, that works. Okay, so this is interesting. So if we don't, I mean, it doesn't make that much of a difference, but if we don't divide it by 1, we get this positive number. I guess it means twice as slow. Oops. Let's finish up this room real quick. Give item. Curious. and give item trim star. I need to check chat just to be okay. A pitch detector. Yeah, but it detects only pitch. No, it doesn't detect pitch. It translates string notes into pitches. For example, like let's see. If I write in code G2, then it translates it to a number that corresponds to that pitch. That's what it does. It's not really a speech detector. So yeah. I think I know what happens here. Yeah. Yeah, now I know. Yeah, so this multiplier is actually very useful. Ow. Okay, so it multiplies 1 by 3 when we have twice the effect. But it doesn't mean the music uses this variable as a multiplier to slow down the music or speed it up. We just don't know the formula. We just need to find it out. And we'll need some math. Maybe some fancy math. Maybe some what's it called? You may need to make it a smooth transition because when you take a pill, then it slows down the music gradually. It doesn't slow down the music instantly. So that's interesting. So let's use Alright, so we got the measure multiplier. This is the function that converts the game speed from an NPC. Uses an NPC to calculate the game speed. Let's put this here. Max tries. This is part of this. This is part of this. Come on, there we go. Shit, actually this shouldn't be here. This should be here. Yeah. We'll keep it there. This is an NPC, and we let's put this all into one comment. Let's call it speed detector, and let's collapse it. There we go. Now we have our render function that runs every render tick of the game. And it displays the debug text multiplier and the variable, well, the function that converts the NPC into the game speed. What's interesting is that this doesn't appear to do so when speed up. I wanna see why exactly that happens. Let's try. Remove stopwatch. Remove the stopwatch. We're gonna use the broken watch or restart the stage, and we're gonna just try to get the speed up effect. Let's see what the this is the slowdown. Not what get lucky, we need to restart the stage. Come on, speed me up. Man, these sound effects are so weird. Give me fucking speed up. Speed up the game, come on. It'll take a while. Man, this is the first time I want the broken stopwatch to speed up the game. Usually you don't want that. This item is nasty. It killed so many rounds. Come on. There we go, okay. Right, so I see. It doesn't change. This is a problem. We actually need it to change. What do? Alright, so the speed detector here, let's try to put this chat here. Maybe the code they gave is looking for it if it slows down. Yeah, it's probably no, I think I know what's happening, but just real quick, let me check this if the stream sounds great. Let's see. Real quick, let me check this if the stream. Yeah, I sound very, very low. I have to speak up. Or maybe it's me. Maybe it's actually just. No, it's actually me. It's actually the microphone. There we go. Okay. Well, let's see. Oh, it's a little louder than. Oh my god. It's actually. My voice is now louder. Hold on. Yeah, I need to lower them. Oh my god, it's speaking. Dude. Bro made pick. Okay, there we go. So, we don't know if the game speed is tied with the music speed. It probably is. Probably is. So this is gone. It's most likely tied. So let's put a question mark here. And about the multiplier, we know a little bit more. Let's put a question mark here. Fucking great. So, the way I'm gonna fix this is trying to spawn the entity every other frame instead of every frame. Maybe that'll detect the speed up. Let's see. Alright, so last frame, next frame. So it removes every frame. Like, oh, hold on. Let's see. So we have one try. Last frame is the sprites get frame. I'm gonna make this a bit easier for me to read. Personally, this is a bit easier for me. So last frame is the last frame sprite. Hold on. Yeah, it does. It does. Then it stops working. Let's try printing the tries so we can debug that. Oh, right. So this doesn't work. Let's put it back. That was stupid. Hold on. Let's try this again. Right, this is a the tries is a global, right? No, it's a local. I need to make it global. Wait, is it global? Yeah. Let's make it local. No, actually it won't work if we do that. Hold on. So it returns the tries and okay, now I get it. Yeah, the tries are yeah, the tries are what is returned. Let's just make sure this works. All right, let's go this. Yeah, that's weird. YouTube's that corporation. All right, let's see. Um. I'll check what this does. Nope, GPT no. Come on. Really? Entity. It's the entity class, right? No. Class. Okay, there you go. Update. Okay. I suppose this is just to make it loop. Or not. I mean, I cannot imagine the tries being higher than 2 or lower than 0 point something. Lower than 0. Just paste this real quick. Yeah, there you go. Actually, yeah, it's fine. Huh. Okay, now I think I get it. So, this is just to make it loop. Entity update updates the entities so that the on NPC update runs. Then the frame is it's defined. You get the frame. Let's get this sprite class. There's another class for sprite there. There it goes. Get frame. There we go. Frame number of the animation that's currently being. Okay, so get frame. Oh, okay. Well, that's unfortunate. Let's see. This is post update, this is on update. Maybe I shouldn't run this on render, maybe on update. Let's try this. Well, actually we don't need to do that. Just need to change this. Yeah, now that just barely renders. Oh wow. Yeah, this isn't good. Those are a lot of these guys. That shouldn't have happened. That's weird. Try this again. Wait, I could have just. Oh well, never mind. Yeah, there were a lot of shadows of shopkeepers, like invisible shopkeepers. Damn, there's no rooms here. There you go. Oh, for the love of God. Oh, it's every room explored, I guess. Oh, that's actually perfect for us. I cheesed it. Oh, actually, there's enemies in here. What? Oh, yeah. Well, that sucks. Oh, whatever. Come on, man. Really? Can I just Oh, yes, I can. Of course I can. Stupid game. There we go. Okay. So, that was funny. Shit. Alright. Let's go back to this. Let's see. Ow. This is an integer, right? This has to be an integer, right? No, yeah. Don't show up. It's okay. Don't worry. Damn it. See? Alright, let's see. I'm not sure, actually. I don't think it does anything. This is such a junky code. Thank you, The Binding of Isaac devs, for making us do jank. Let's see. Thank you. Yeah, it was a catchy. Yeah, it was a catchy melody. Yeah. This is so stupid. Work already. Let's do. I'm not sure how I can fix this exactly. Sorry, I cannot talk. I'm not sure how exactly I can fix this. But I think I'm gonna have to do something a little different than this. So this is the speak detector. It's not working very properly. We're gonna need to make a new, let's do a local variable. Don't valid video so I could send it to my friend, but saw you streaming. Keep up the good work, man. Good luck. Thank you. Alright, so local. Oh. I wrote local with a capital L. Local, let's call this start time. Isaac dot get time, I think it was. Was it get time? Damn it, I need to check it out. Melodic coins, get time. It was get time, but with the minus. There we go. The max tries might be the issue. How come? I mean, the entire function returns the tries. Yeah, that's what the tries is exactly what is returned in measured time. I guess you're right. Let's see. So if I do this, if I do local throwaway variable, and I assign this to this, it's not gonna work either, because wait, it might work. Actually, it might work. Hold on. Dog. It's nil. Yeah, it's still 1. I mean, it returns tries before it could add 1 to try. It only adds 1 if it misses a frame. That's what I think it does. I mean, it adds 1 if it misses a frame. If every other it's demonstrated here. All right, so we have it. We have a little grid of frames here. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, so we have frame 1, frame 2. Yeah, yada. Let's try making this more beautiful. Sweet. Alright, so we got this, like the frames. So what this basically does is it checks every frame if the enemy is updated. Like every frame, if the enemy updates, then it returns a 1. It sets it to 1. It returns the 1. It returns the tries. If it misses one frame, hold on, Jesus Christ. If it misses one frame, let's say this frame is missed, then this is 1, then this is 2, because it missed it. Then this stays 2. Then again it misses this one, then it stays 2, and that's how I think it works, right? It's yeah, if it misses a frame, if it misses a frame and it adds 1. If it misses a frame, then it would make sense if it's 2. Yeah, absolutely. Let's try to apply this logic to the speed up. I already know how it's going. So the speed up doesn't skip any frames. Shit. Now I get it. Oh boy. Yes, sort of. So, okay, now I understand this block of text, or block of code, I mean. So it tries to search for, it's not skipped frames, I think it's called something else. It's looking for a frame that takes too long. For example, this frame is the NPC frame, and this frame here is the game frame. If the NPC frame is shortened, yeah, this is a better analogy. So for example, this is normally how it is. The game frames is synced perfectly with the NPC. Okay, so this is a frame, this is a frame, this is another frame. Skip on. So that's how it works. So what the game speed up does is stretch these frames. This is how it is when it's slower. So if it's slower, it takes 2 frames to render 1 frame of the NPC. By the way, this is the NPC. This is the game. God damn it. Yeah, there we go. So this is the game, this is the NPC. So here you can see that the game is taking 2 frames to render 1 frame of the NPC. So it adds these 2 frames and we get 2. It's not missing frames, it's actually counting how many frames have passed since the last frame of the NPC. And if the game is shortened, if the NPC is faster or the frames are shorter, then the game only detects 1. It fails to detect this one because it's in between this frame. It only detects this one. this one frame, and it treats this whole 2 frames as one, which is not ideal. So speed up will be 2 NPC frames in 1 frame. No, that's a slowdown. This is slowdown. So this is slowdown. Huge frame for the NPC because it's slower, takes longer time. And this is the game at 60 frames per second, I think. 1 frame, it detects that it's still on this frame, and the other frame, it detects it's on the other frame, then it adds 1 plus 1, so it becomes 2. So it's 1, 2 frames. Oh, we reached here. So then again, yes, sort of like that. I think that's what's happening. Now, if we speed up the game, again, I'm explaining it again, so it's better understood. Let's actually copy this one. So if we speed up the game, we miss frames, because this frame cannot detect things in between. For example, here, a frame, we missed this frame here. But we actually managed to catch this one. So here we can see this is the same. And yes, sort of like that. Hold on, I'm gonna close my door real quick. Man, my neck hurts. So how are we gonna fix this? I'm thinking using milliseconds, but I don't think how that exactly would work. Oh, actually, I think the NPC is doing something completely different. Hold on. The NPC, when the game speeds up, it's merging the frames. So it corresponds to these ones, I think. Man, this is such a schizo. This is such a schizo drawing board. So yeah, this is what it does, essentially. Not sure. I don't think that's related, but I don't know. Maybe I'm dumb. No, that no, that did not work. Of course, tries will never be bigger than 1,000. If we put this equals and this will never be true, then it tries will just start growing, and it's not gonna return anything either. Oh, that's funny. What? Why is it 34? What the fuck? Oh, it's 48 now. Okay. Oh, it's 40. Oh my god, there's a lot of keepers here. That shouldn't be a thing. Maybe it's spawning the keepers every frame. Oh my god, it does. It is. That shouldn't happen. Anyways. Yeah, those are a lot of keepers. I'm not sure if you can see them. Hold on, let me just... Yeah, maybe you can see the little shadows. Those are keepers. You see how they react to the knockback? Those are the same keepers I used for the Mari Burate dancing on the shop mod. And they're using to measure the time. Wait, but that's interesting though. What? The multiplayer is 48 now. What the fuck? It was 32 before. That's huge. Hold on. Let's see if this actually sticks. Actually, we can do this. Now the multiplayer is 1. 48, 48, 1, 48, 48, 48, 1, 48, 48, 48, 1, 4. Okay, well, shit. Hold on. 48, 48, 1, 48, 48, 48, 1, 48, 48, 48, 1. What the fuck? What? Why does that work? What? Why does that work? That's actually a good identifier. I mean, but I don't know how to use that in a fucking formula or function. I don't know what 34 means. It just means that the game is going fast right now. This is huge. Now it's half the speed. I don't know why 34 is fast and 48 is slow, but the one means it's even slower. That does not add up in my head. That is just weird. It's just wacky. Now it's 48 when nothing happens. What is going... Okay, now I get it. So this is bad actually. If it's 48, if nothing is happening and actually... La, la, da, 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 da. Yeah, I'm not using speed up pills because it's essentially the same as the what's it called, the broken watch and the clock watch, the hand watch or whatever it's called. So it's 1 now. Oh, it's actually working very fine. Now it's constantly in 1. Huh. That doesn't do anything. We're onto something. No, I meant it like add speeds. So maybe the numbers are different. Yeah, but I don't know. Adding a bunch of pills. Also, they're a pain to just spawn. I really. It's really hard to spawn the drowsy and excited pills. What's this? Nothing. Oh. Huh. So this only happens when it slows down. Okay, I think I get it now. So let's do something like this. So this is local. This is great. Everything is local. This is local. Great. Okay, so let's put this is check. Let's call it check. Let's make it so that this only checks speed up and this only checks speed down. So my theory is actually it's reversed. Okay. ¿Qué onda?
Quiero entrar y jugar en compu y hacer un poco de bulla.
Bueno, subnormal. Ya pues. Pero estoy en stream, ¿ok?
Primero voy a bañar.
Chévere. Speed it up. There we go. Oh my god. We gotta make something out of these numbers. Let's try the pills. Oh. I'm curious to see what's... What's the value of these? So that's interesting. I don't know why I did that. Hold on. It's clear. It's gonna take a while.
Tears up.
No, you cannot. Oh my god! Come on, man. Really? How do I get out of here? God damn it. Yeah, well, stay. Yeah, I need a script. I'm gonna make a script that spawns all the pills in this floor. In this run, I mean. So let's do this real quick. Isaac pills. Let's see the colors of the pills. What's the colors of the pills? Come on, give me colors. Shit. There we go. Pill color. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. That's useful. Very useful. Great. Wait. Hold on. No, that's pill null. White, yellow. Standard pills, gold. Okay, that's the only one. So, we take this. We remove all these. Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, we got all the pills. Huge brain time. I mean, you can, but you need to find out the pill. I'm not sure. I'm really too lazy to fucking find out how to specifically spawn a specific pill. So I'm just gonna spawn all the pills of the run, and we'll see. So, okay, what was that command? Execute command. It has to be, okay, so, wow. Six. 1, 2, 3. 6. Those are not 6. Those are 13. Okay, well, close enough. 13 lines, 13 lines. Spawn pill. Yeah, those are the same names, right? White Azure. Okay. Now let me just check the debug again. Let me just look how I did this thing. Debug text. There we go.
Você é um macaquinho.
If is he's pressing let's press keyboard key M. No, M, not N. I'm not sure what the keyboard enums are. There we go. N. Yeah, that's the enum. Yep. It's gonna be funny. Come on, where is it? Oh man, it spawned it every frame that I press it. I need to actually disable that. Huge brain.
Health down.
Not the telepeels, man. I need to really make sure I don't take that.
Full health. Tears up.
There we go. Okay.
Luck up.
Paralysis.
Luck down.
Please don't kill me. Okay, so this is I'm drowsy. Wait, I forgot how to drop a pill. There we go. Okay, well, I'm taking that. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I'm daydreaming right now. Oops, I spawned the pills again. Huh. Dude, this mechanic is so wacky. What was it? White Azure? Oh, that steers up. Was white blue, right? Oops. That's a different pitch. I think they don't. That's a different pitch for the same values. Oh my god. Conclusion. Now we know that the music isn't related to the gameplay. In terms of speed. Same speed, different pitch, yeah. So we just learned that the music, the game speed doesn't define the music pitch. We need to manually detect what pill you took and what item you take. Damn it, man. This is so fucking... I'm so lazy, man. Yeah, I think that's enough for today. I'm going to do this another time. Make a whole other way to detect the music. I mean, detecting the slowdown and the speed up isn't a problem. What is the problem is detecting what made it speed up and adjusting a custom sort of like a custom music multiplier that's not related to the game, the game's multiplier. So what we're gonna do is gonna try to sync up this custom variable that we're gonna make. This global variable is gonna detect the speed ups and the slowdowns, and according to that, it's gonna find out what slowed down the player and what sped up the player or whatever, and with that, it's gonna determine how much the pitch has to raise up or raise down. Of course, the huge problem here, the biggest problem here that's threatening the project is the wavy cap. The music, like the game literally goes the same speed. It doesn't change speed. What does change speed is the music only, which is not ideal. See if you can get some speed ups. Damn, it hides messages with swears. What do you mean? It's really censoring the the curses. That shouldn't happen. That's weird. Man. There's some fucked up psychedelic shit. Ouch. How can anybody dodge this? If this is random, I'm gonna shit myself. If this actually turns out to be random pitch ups and pitch downs, I'm gonna shit myself. Actually. Shit, I shouldn't have done that. Wait. Remove stopwatch. Give item Mercurius. Wow, stage 1. First scan. I shouldn't have done that. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so an unknown initial value of 4 bytes, or actually I'll fuck it. Unknown from the from all of them. And I don't know if it's an increase or decreased value. Let's say change, but no, actually that's less precise. That has to be a decreased value, right? Because it's slowing down. Now we're gonna remove the stopwatch. Walk out and in the room. Now it's an increased value. Now it's an unchanged value. Hit that a couple times. Da 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 da. Oops. That's a decreased value. That's an increased value. Oh man, that was it. There we go. That's an increased value again. This is a decreased value. This is another decreased value. This is an increased value. This is a decreased value. This is unchanged value. This is an increased value. This is a decreased value. Decreased. Unchanged. I think we got it. Can we sort it? Unchanged. Interesting. Increased by 1.5. I wonder if oh my god. Oh my god, I found it. Holy shit. That's interesting. Man, this is so fun. So it isn't tied to the game. As you can see, the game is actually running. Wow. This actually reminds me of when I used to play Pokemon Ruby or whatever, Gen 3 on the emulator. So yeah, it's hard coded into the game. I need to change it. How do I save this? I can find it again later, I guess, but it would be a bummer to just lose it. I don't think the address will stay. Hopefully it does. Please stay. Actually, I need to study this. Okay, let's do something like this. Let's open Audacity. It's okay, so it's recording actually. It's actually recording my. Yeah, it's recording my. That is so peculiar. What? So it's not actually 0. Hold on, I need to record this in a better quality. That is insane. So these waves are canceling each other, I think. No, wait, actually no. That's weird. Alright, so let's record. No, it's not supposed to record my voice, don't worry. It's supposed to record this. Okay. Do not worry, it's not supposed to record my voice. What is that? This is so weird, man. Actually kind of cool. Okay, so here the audio starts. Yeah, it is. That's the intention. Let's try another one. No, actually, that's a bad idea. Let's put it to 2. What I'm trying to find out is the acceleration of this. I'm trying to find out it's a constant acceleration. Okay, let's try this. Let's go to the Binding of Isaac, modes, music pickers, resources, music, antibirth, basement, loop, into here. What's exactly this part? It actually matches. Where is it? That's weird. What? Hey there, Slozna, whatever. Hello there, welcome. We're doing some experiments, sort of. I refuse to believe that's the same audio. What the fuck? Why is that not working? Yeah, so this one is not very fit to experiment on. Base is fit. Let's try that. To this part. there anything sharp here? If this is sharper, no, that's not sharp enough. Need something sharp. Give me some sharp. Something sharp. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's definitely it. Yep. Let's amplify this one instead of doing that. There we go. It should be in sync. Maybe de-amplify this one a little bit. It sounds so weird, but bear with me. No, it's distorted a little bit. Oh man, this audio thing is really hard. What is bro cooking? Sorry, I'm not looking at the chat. It's very, very subtle. A few effects, maybe. That's why it's not very... I'm trying to... Alright, so the way the game works is... So we have this pitch. Okay. Throughout the song, it's on the same pitch. Okay, let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay. Suddenly the game changes pitches. Does it change it linearly? Or does it change it smoothly? So that's what I'm trying to find out. I think it changes it smoothly, but I need to find exactly for how long. Then I'm done with this. Man, this is a headache. I'm sorry. Maybe a second and a half. That's a transition between low pitch into high pitch. Let's use a... why am I not using a spectrogram? There we go. Okay. Oh my god, that's much better. Actually. Holy shit, that's... you have no idea how much better that is. Yeah. Spectrogram's the way. Let's try that again. Change this value. 1. Alright, so let's see. My neck hurts. I'm gonna quit streaming really in just a few minutes. So this is the last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it a drastic change. Let's see if I can catch it. Let's move it from 0.5. Spectrogram. Oh boy. Oh boy. Found you. Yes. So this is frames. On top of that, it's actually using frames. Great. Well, as users, we're gonna use milliseconds. So where does this start? Expand it. Here. And it stops around... that is a weird function. How do I calculate this? I have a better idea. Maybe I should use the take advantage of this huge black thing. So let's use actually let's use 0. What am I doing? No sound. Done. This is the paper sound. Oh my god, that's much better. Yeah. I got an idea, but maybe for a later time. We should probably use a a sine wave instead of the soundtrack, and use that to calculate the thing, like a single frequency, not a sine wave. Use a single frequency and use the cheat engine. Let's actually save that real quick. Use cheat engine so we can see the curve. We need a curve, okay? We need to find out what's the curvature. I think this is a... Huh. So if this is 0 and this is 0.5, then we need to find out the curvature of this. I think the time is constant. Doesn't matter if you move it from 0.5 to 0 or from 0.0 to fucking 3 or 4. It's gonna be the same length of time for the transition. But the easing is gonna be this one. It's definitely gonna be that one. And I'm gonna go search for a... This is an ease out sine or an ease out quart. Maybe an expo. Ease out circle. Quint. A cubic. I think it's a cubic. It looks like a cubic. Okay, so that we have a quart and a cubic. Very different. A cubic uses 0.68 and 0.33. A quart uses 0.25 and 0.5. Yeah, I told you guys we're we're gonna need actual fancy math. Shit. What Isaac modding does to a motherfucker. Yeah, I need to decensor the swearing stuff. That's dumb. Maybe Twitch will work better. Ouch. Alright. So let's actually use Photoshop for this shit. Should we use Photoshop? Not sure. See, it's actually very hard. There we go. Okay, that's a great. See, it's divided between 5 and it's actually constant. Yeah. Sure. I didn't have to. Ah, shit. I didn't have to close Audacity. I needed the seconds between these. That's whatever. I can actually see them here, right? No, I cannot. Well, that's a bummer. So, ease out quart. I think it's a cubic. Still think it's a cubic. It's gonna be a cubic. Yeah, this is absolutely a cubic. Does it look like a cubic to you?
Suministro almacenador.
Yeah, this is a cubic. Yep. Alright. So... Shit, I really need the Audacity project again. Hopefully it saved it. Please tell me you saved it. Shit, I need to do that again. It's no problem. Yeah, 0.5. Okay. Again, spectrogram. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. I started at 0, not at 0.5. Man, I love this game. Shut up. Shit. Might stop here. I think here. Eight seconds. 8 seconds transition. Yeah, we're gonna try the one frequency for this later. The issue is which frequency we're gonna actually use, because as you can see, maybe it depends on the frequency we use. Because the lower the frequency, the higher it gets. Here you can see it's really high. Here it's very low. Well, that's for another day, I guess. Thank you for watching. It's been nice. C3. I guess that's the middle frequency. From 20 to 20,000 hertz. So the average is 20 plus 20,000 hertz. Divided by 2, it's 10,010. We're doing it at 10,010 hertz. Probably. Oh, okay. That changes it. Actually, let's go with the human range. So it's 10,000, 10,000 and 10,010 hertz. So this is the address for the cheat engine code, and this is an explanation I did. That's pretty much it. That's nice. We found out a few things. We're gonna need to make a to manually adjust the speeds. Hopefully in the future the devs decide to bless us with a function or a class that stores all these variables that they use for changing the pitch of the music or changing the speed of the room. I mean, changing the speed of the room, you can do that, but only through effects that already exist. For example, you can change the effect of the room if you use the drowsy effect. You give Isaac the drowsy effect, just change the speed of the room. It's lame, but whatever. That's pretty much it. It reset it back. That's interesting. Gotta connect it to the stuff that triggers the speed and pitch change, though, right? Yeah. For example, pills that give you drowsy effect, we need to make it so that it corresponds to the drowsy effect. Like it changes the pitch to the drowsy effect. I think that's how it works. Every effect, every speed pill changes the pitch of the song specifically to one on an array, probably. So I'm gonna make an array of pitches and gonna organize them by the effect. And if an effect is happening, speed up pills stack. My goodness, dude! Just telling me that right now. I guess we can sort that out. It's not that hard to stack functions. This was great, dude. This was great. We discovered a bunch of stuff. We're gonna make ourselves a custom pitch, music pitch detector. All by ourselves. I'm gonna make it. Yes, and probably will need your help. Please, God, help me. Anyways, I'm gonna go. My neck hurts a little. Need to stand up for a while. The speed calculator, I don't think so. We already demonstrated that the game speed does not change directly the music speed. The music speed changes depending on what the effect happened. What effect happened? For example, if the peel happened, then throughout the effect of the peel, the speed of the music of the game is gonna change. So it's not dependent on the speed of the game. It's actually independent. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.